Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite some time of me being here on YouTube. It's been a long break of more than 6 months. But today I am here to start once again. I am here at Absolute Barbecues to try out the Absolute Carnival. So what are you waiting for? You guys need to drop by here for the unlimited Absolute Carnival. I'll take you guys to the entire day of what I taste and everything right away. From starters to tandoor to a lot of desserts, main course and a lot more. So stay tuned and continue watching the video to not miss out on the yummy day I'm going to show you guys today.
American cheese potato.
So to start it off with starters, I have for the first thing, this is their American cheese potato, and to be very honest, this is my absolute favorite right here when it comes to starters. Obviously there are a lot more, but to start it off, potatoes are the best. And the most amazing thing about these potatoes are they have the skin of the potatoes on it, and that makes it drool worthy. Absolute Barbecues, and you do not want crispy corns. How is that even possible? I almost fill up my tummy by crispy corns because it is so damn good. So herein I have crispy corns and American cheese potatoes, but I am going to try out the American cheese potatoes in the first place and let you guys know how this is. Super crispy, and potatoes kise nahi pasand. This has slightly the taste of Cajun fried potatoes, but it's super yum, super fresh and super crispy. Winters and December sun and Absolute Barbecues ka sweet corn is the perfect combination, I tell you guys. Spices in the sweet corn are absolutely on point, and I totally love and hog on this sweet corn every time I am here for a lunch or dinner because this is super tasty. Comment down below if you guys are also a fan of sweet corn of Absolute Barbecues.
ये आपका चरी ग्रिल वेज है, ये आपका बारबेक्यू मिक्स फूड चाट है आपका, एंड तंदूरी पनीर टिक्का भी
Okay, thank you.
का पान के कबाब में
क्या है?
पान के कबाब.
So this is a veg kebab, which is quite surprising because this is pan kebab. So let me quickly taste it and let you guys know how this taste is. This is so good, and this doesn't taste like pan. Taste is like aloo, some fried aloo, sort of a pakora sort of a thing.
ये आपका कोस्टर बारबेक्यू फिश है,
Fish,
ये आपका तंदूरी चिकन है,
chicken.
एंड चिली गार्लिक प्रॉन्स. कोस्टर बारबेक्यू फिश, तंदूरी चिकन, कोस्टर बारबेक्यू फिश है आपका ये, चिली गार्लिक प्रॉन्स.
So talking about this entire spread of the tandoor, I am quite mesmerized and I'm already surprised by how I'm going to finish this off. We have veg items over here, we have non-veg items over here. I am going to try out the prawn because I love prawns. Then I'm going to try out the fish. The fish looks good. This looks drool worthy, but I am stunned because this is a lot. To be very honest, this is a lot. So if you are into hogging and if you love things like this, you would definitely need to be here for the Absolute Carnival. You cannot miss it out on this one. Talking about the entire spread, this is their spread. Come on, this is huge. We have a lot of starters from veg, non-veg. We have soup, we have main course, we have desserts, we have mocktails, and a lot more. So let's dive into the video and continue eating.
पनीर आपका
tandoori chicken, tandoori, or I do kebab.
पुदीनासी कबाब, मटन पुदीनासी कबाब है।
So the non-veg starters are here. We have chicken tandoori, then we have mutton seekh kebab, which I'm going to taste right now and let you guys know how this turns out. Juicy, full of flavors, and absolutely the way I love the mutton seekh kebabs to be. This is my utmost favorite of today's non-veg starters. Moving on, we shall be trying out the tandoori. Chicken tandoori किसे नहीं पसंद? As you must have seen, I am all tired because the entire live counter is super huge. They have a wide range of variety in the live counter as well. Mutton Rogan Gosh is being prepared live. They also have biryani which is being prepared live. You can also make your own choice of pasta, sorted veggies and a lot of other items. And talking about the main course is never ending main course. It is such a huge array of everything, literally everything. They have a lot of variety from veg to non-veg to rotis to rice to biryani. A lot of items are, lined up over there and everything seems super delish. So I was almost full with the starters. So I couldn't pick up a lot from the main course because obviously I have to keep room for desserts. So I have picked up only a few items from the main course. Papad, for obvious reasons, I love papad. Aloo gobi is my favorite during winters. Then I have some fried rice, chili chicken. Then I have my favorite dal makhani and some chicken again. Also I have naan, butter naan to go ahead with the chicken. Obviously you shouldn't miss out on my dessert plate and you shouldn't judge me by the quantity of my dessert plate because you guys must have already known by my videos that I am a die-hard dessert fan. I am a sweet tooth person. So for dessert I have a lot of items. I have almost everything in the menu maybe. I have firni, I have my favorite gulab jamun. Then I have some chocolate bomb which I will be having after I finish off this plate. So you can guess I am already tempted and I am already craving. ऐसा लग रहा है कि I leave the main course and I'll straight away hop on the dessert plate, but no, we definitely have to check out the main course. So let me start off with my favorite and everyone's favorite gulab jamun. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Moving on, let's try out the firni because I love firni. You know why I loved the firni? Because मीठा एकदम balanced था and Indian desserts में I love less मीठा, so it was good. Next up, let's try out the cheesecake. I'll just have some because बहुत खाना यार. पूरा खाना पड़ेगा. It's so good. It's yum. Some cake. Oh man, too good. Too good. Let me finish this dessert plate off because everything was super delish and I cannot leave anything behind. So let me quickly finish this off and then come back to the final review of how I spent the entire day here and how I loved everything in details. So that's a wrap on Absolute Barbecues. I absolutely love my time over here. Do visit with your friends and family. Book your table today because you are going to love the experience over here. They have a wide range of yummies for you guys, right away from popcorns, cotton candies, ice cream, desserts, live counters, pastas, tandoor items, main course, non-veg, vegetarian, everything right here in one place. So you book your tables today and come here for an absolute yum delicacy with your friends and family. I will see you in the next video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos and let me know how you found this video. Until then, ta-da!